So next we are going to talk about how we work at Somnio, both in the tech stack and also in the methodology that we apply. So in essence, whenever we start a new project, we use, in most cases, Flutter. This is a cross-platform framework that enables us to create from a single code base applications for the web, for mobile, iOS and Android, also for desktop. So this is really cool because it enables us to target different platforms from a single code base, and developers can only focus on a single language. They don't have like context switch, and we can enable different experiences for users in different platforms. But most of the time we also need like to do some backend development because every application needs something in the cloud, so this is really common. And in that case, we also work with several strategies. It really depends on the project because we work with companies that are looking to build an MVP, but also we work with bigger companies that are looking to create something bigger with a bigger team, something that is production ready from day one. And in that case, we basically leverage different technologies. It could be backend as a service, such as Firebase, Supabase, but also we can talk about doing something custom, going over more complex things such as creating a backend using microservices with Nest.js typically. Also, we work with other technologies such as .NET, Java. So it really depends on the type of project because, of course, there are technologies that enable us to do different things, and it really depends on the first vision that we have for the project and how technology can fit the project. And yeah, those are like the most common let's say the frameworks, programming languages that we use. We also leverage everything in the cloud, such as AWS or GCP or Azure. So yeah, on a daily basis, the developer face to build using these tools to build software, and it really depends on the project. But I would say that most of the day we are using several tools to be more efficient, especially tools that are backed by AI, such as using Cursor, Cloud Code, Gemini. There are tools that actually allowed us to create more depending on the stage of the project that we are, and be more efficient to leverage more features in less time. So yeah, this is like a summary how we work and the technology behind our projects.